Hello. Let me choose my display here so that I can start to capture, but it's not working. Let me do that again. And I want to capture this particular screen. Okay, now it's visible as well. Okay, now I come on top of it as well. Right, great. Okay, so how's the stream capability? I think it's all right for now. It's not dropping or anything. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new directory, right, where I will call this thing as ORM, object relational mapping. And inside this, let me just open my terminal here. I want to activate an environment, right? So I want to first create, I think it's Python VNV, and then let's just do ORM. Okay, so saying that VNV Python. Let me just check the syntax once. I tend to forget it. Yes, M, right? Okay, I have not. Okay, I don't need to cd into it. M is the parameter. Okay, great. Let's do ls. Okay, ORM is created, and then what we need to do is let's just cd into it. ORM, and then what else are there? Library scripts. I don't need any of those. I simply need scripts. What else is there? Okay, there is Python and everything is there. I just need the activate. Okay, my ORM is activated. Great. And here I will need to install SQL Alchemy here, right? Okay, that's what it says, and that's what I have done as well. Okay, seems like it's working fine for now, at least. Okay, let me go and check the stream quality for now. Seems like it's working fine. Stream is all right. Right, next thing is I have installed this, right? So what does it say? Okay. What I'm trying to do is I have not done this before, so let me open that particular folder itself in my VS Code. Where is the folder? Let me locate it. Okay, that's the folder, and let's outside this. Not sure about that. Let's just do here src, and inside this I would want main.py. Okay, so next thing is let me ask ChatGPT itself. So so what we need to do is let's just ask what library should I need to import. Okay, all those information is given. So what does it say? Libraries to import will be the core ORM library that helps maps Python classes to database tables. Okay, so SQLite comes built in with Python. You don't need to install any extra libraries. Okay, great. SQLite driver, right? So we create engine, column, integer, table, and everything. Okay, explanation to connect to our database is create engine. Declarative base is a factory function to create a base class for your ORM models. So columns, relationship mapping is there, relationship is there, session maker is there. Right, next thing, let's copy this thing, just paste it here. Let's run this for now. Is there any issues until now? Okay, it's looking like it's okay for now. I just don't like the theme of it. So theme for VS Code, I want something more colorative. Let me just search for a good theme. Let's just go with theme, color theme, GitHub. Oops. Not light, I want it to be dark. GitHub dark. This is okay, but it's too light for me. I want something more better. Monokai seems alright. Let me try that. Monokai. Dim, that's not nice. This one is okay to some bit, but it's not the best. Not the best. There was a video somewhere here. Base theme, and let me just search for it. I have saved it in my message or somewhere. It's not here. Where did I send myself? I normally tend to send these things to myself. Okay, have I sent it to me in my Teams then? Nope. There was a very good theme somewhere. I will have to find that before I start coding. Not winter, not night owl. Mm, not this one as well. Not IU. Slack. Tokyo night. It's a little bit too. Mhm. It was more colorized. It was more colorized. So let me just search here. Theme. Good theme, right? Beautiful theme. GitHub theme. Atom. It's not that. Dracula. Nah. Material theme. Can be customizable, but theme icons. Maybe I'll install this one. Winter is coming. Darker maybe. Panda theme, not so interested. Omni theme. Nah. C theme. Let me just try something else. Let me just close all this. Control Alt F4. Color theme is somewhat one dark pro. This is also not bad. I want something like this, but it has to be high contrast. What am I selecting here? Dark contrast. Okay. Light and all can go away. Nope. GitHub dark is alright. Color blind. Somewhat here color blinds is alright, or high contrast one as well. It looks okay to me. This one looks good to me. Okay, so now I need to declare something, I guess. 20 base theme and all, ChatGPT. Okay, so declarative base. Okay, base model. How do I import this thing then? Okay, how to get started? Session maker, base, and then okay, I'll have to define student here somewhere. Okay, let me just copy the whole thing. Huh? Okay, it seems like what we are doing over here is we are declaring a base, and next is define base class for a declarative model, and then we create an association table. So student underscore course. Okay, that's the association name given to it. So what does table take in? It takes the name, okay, table name, and comma, and then take metadata. So that's the name of the table, student underscore course, metadata, and then args, any kind of arguments, and schema, okay, and quota, right? So column is of type what? It's a class on its own, right? Okay, when the class is initiated, it takes in a lot of parameters, primary key and everything, okay? So we've defined, okay, why are you not loading? Seems like this is the column name, and then this is the integer type, then the foreign key is going to be with student ID, okay, and this is going to be course ID, and where is the primary key? I'm not sure about that. Okay, we define it somewhere here. So define the student model, and then we have a class student, and then base table name is students, okay, and we have the own association definition over here. For ID, we have ID, name is there, string is there, and nullable is false. Okay, we do have a lot of parameters that can be passed into it. So relationship with course via association table. Okay, and relationship with course is that, I guess so, it will be ID, because student ID we are saying it to be foreign key over here. So secondary relationship takes in argument. It could be of relation type argument, any or none. Right. Okay, or it could be secondary. Okay, when we print this instance, we are going to get something like student, and then the ID, comma, the name. Okay. For the course, I think we will be getting something similar print. We will have the column name, okay, courses is the thing, relationship, it will have, back populates will be with courses, relationship will be with students, so it's, this thing will have a relationship with course, this thing will have relationship with student, and the secondary association table is going to be same thing. It's going to be student course, this one. It's going to be this one. Okay, that's the one that connects both of them. Okay, great. Okay, next thing, we create the engine over here first of all, and then we SQL engine is already there. Then after that, what we do is we create all the table in the database. Okay, based on base.metadata.create all. I will create a session for interacting with the database, session maker, and we are just binding the engine to it. Okay, auto floss is there, expire on commit is there, and then it's a callable type, I guess. This should be a callable. It should return a callable. It's a construct, a new session maker. It takes a bind parameter, which takes engine or connect table. It will be a callable because we are using it this way. It has to be a callable. Right now it's taking the data. It's taking the data and paste it somewhere here. So what do? We pass the student, we have courses, we student1 dot courses. We can append it to course 1, student 1, 2 courses, and then session, we commit the changes to the database. Okay, we add it. Looks like when you've already appended it, you don't need the, where are we adding this thing? I'm not sure. We need an instance of an object. Okay, we are just passing that. Courses, it seems like it's like a list that you can append to. Okay, and the ID will be automatically coming in. Okay, all those things are done, and how do we print this thing out? Okay, to print the data is there, querying the data. Okay, let me just paste it here. Okay, and query session.query student, and in that particular way, when I think we are creating session because we want that thing to persist. Normally that's why it's done in other C instances, but we can ask that question to ChatGPT as well. So filter and whatever you find first by name. Filter by name, we are querying the data through table. Okay, and student name is enrolled in for course and student underscore that course. And let's get this thing as well, where we can have the courses and the filters. Let's run it. What is all this thing? Okay, base declarative assets is there. SQL alchemy begin implicit. So it's passing this particular thing to the database. Looks like that. Creating of table student courses. That's going to link the two tables. Okay, that's how it's done. Okay. Interesting. It's a bit different way to do it. I think in our case, otherwise you will not. If you are interacting directly with the database, you don't need it. Okay, we are inserting something over here to courses. Student is there and it's returning some ID and it's committing. Okay, is doing select student.id as da 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 da, and where student name is equals to this da 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 da, and we are printing this thing, right? Okay, okay. Let's run until yeah. Okay, mathematics and all these things are there, but I don't know where this print and all is coming from, all the statements. I still don't like the theme. Not that. Color theme. I think GitHub dark is alright for now, I guess. But it's not too dark. I could make it dark. I could maybe perhaps change the settings. Not that. How do I set it? Settings. Let's go in settings. Theme somewhere here. Theme. Can't I customize it? Theme. How do I customize it? I just need something better. Dracula. This is sublime text. Super Wonder. I think Health Icon theme is a little bit popular. I think so. Isn't this the one? Okay. Looks better, but still not the one. Wonder Pro Monokai. It is alright. Dark plus theme. This one I will uninstall it. one for me. Vim thing. Let's install this. Not able to do this anymore. It's a brain icon thing. Let's see the icons. It has changed a bit. It does not look so nice. Xcode. How does this look like? Let's see. I closed everything. I open this. Okay, now it's looking much better for me. Okay, great. This is what I want. I don't need anything else. What I need to do is I need to get rid of that material theme or something. Material icon. I don't need this. Uninstall. Atom material icon is there. This is okay, but it's too much thing. Just to do a simple thing, it's just too much work. Okay, ORM seems interesting, but it's just too much. Just to do minor things. Okay, it's interesting to use classes. A lot of setup, and then once that is done, right? Once that is done, we will still need to append it every time. Okay. But that's fine. Interesting though. Okay. Anyways, it's a good update. And
what I need to do is I will not use this thing for now.
I was just having a look at it.
Okay, it seems interesting. Maybe someday I'll use it, but not for now. Okay, I think that's what we will conclude at for today. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.